Hey students and parents, today I'm going to be talking to you about what it takes to have a kindergarten quality name. So it's important that we kind of see what we're talking about when we see a line on a piece of paper. And I understand my lines are not very straight, but I really try that when I send home something for you to write on, whether it has your name, a name line, or lines to write on, that you have a top line, a bottom line, and then this middle dotted line. And these lines are really important because some of our letters are tall and they touch the top of the line. Some of our letters are small and they touch that middle line. And some of our letters go down in the ocean, like a little P, okay? So when I'm writing my kindergarten quality name, I have to make sure that my tall letters are tall and they are anchored to both the bottom line and the top line. My small letters are anchored to the bottom line and the middle line, and then those letters that go down in the ocean, that they definitely have a tail that goes down in the ocean. So when if my name were Everly, because I know I have a little kiddo named Everly out there that's probably watching this video, I have a tall capital letter, so I'm going to make sure that I start at the top with all my letters and I go down and I anchor it on the bottom. So I have a tall letter, then I have a middle, a small letter. My E is kind of tricky because it starts in the middle, it goes up, touches the middle, then it comes down. Then I have another small letter. I have a tall letter. And then I have one of those funny letters that goes down in the ocean. So notice how for my kindergarten quality name, I start with a capital, the rest of my letters are lowercase, and they're all anchored where they should be. Parents, when you are helping your kiddos write their kindergarten quality name, that you're making sure that they are doing that. If your kiddo doesn't quite know how to write their name yet, then you can do things like starting with all capitals and then working to a kindergarten name would be really good for them. If your kiddo already knows their capitals, teach them how to use the lowercase. And the rules for correct handwriting is top to bottom, left to right when you are drawing a letter. So we never start at the bottom. The E is the only real rule breaker because he starts in the middle and then goes up and around. But the rest, you would start at the top and go down. As we learn our letters, I'm going to be giving you some helpful hints on how to form those letters and how to write them correctly, and also some different ways to remember their sounds. So be sure to watch for that. Have a good day.